All right, guys, this is Robin Marsh from 700 Plus Credit Club, back with another real clients, real results testimonial. This morning, I got Keith Simpson, a past client of mine out of Miami, Florida. And Keith, how you doing this morning, man?
I'm good, man. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, man. Hey, that's awesome, bro. I wanted to bring you on here, man, because a lot of people, when they sign up or they come across credit repair and stuff like that, they really had some of the same concerns that you had. And I just want you to talk about a little bit about your story, man. And so the first question I got for you, man, how did you come across 700 Plus Credit Club? How did you come across, this credit repair?
Absolutely. So nowadays, it seems like everyone is a credit expert and very few people actually get results. But there was a video that I came across on Instagram where you were talking about inquiry removal and removing the inquiries before the account actually hits. And that's something that I been doing ever since. And that's something I never heard before. I heard of inquiry removal, but I didn't know if I'm going to be applying for these new accounts, how do I make it so my inquiries stay low? Because you can start getting denials just because you have too many inquiries. And you talked about before an account hits, getting the inquiry removed. And I just thought that was brilliant. That was something that I never heard of. And from that point on, I started watching more of your videos and I was like, yeah, this guy really knows what he's talking about. So that's what piqued my interest to be able to work with you.
That's what's up, man. Yeah, that inquiry removal. No, that's crazy because no one really ever taught me that. I just kind of, I don't know, man, through trial and error and just kind of doing credit. I was like, I wonder, man, what if I can, because the account isn't on my credit report yet. You know what I'm saying? I wonder, what if I can dispute that inquiry before the account hits and get the inquiry off? And then, you know what I mean? And so, yeah, that definitely worked out, man. But yeah, that's what's up. I know we talked back and forth and stuff like that. I know previously you had worked with maybe some other companies and stuff like that.
Yes.
And so I know you were a little bit skeptical before, you know what I'm saying, we got started. So you want to talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, I laugh about it now, but yeah, it started probably around the beginning of the pandemic, and obviously the country was shut down. And I thought to myself, I got my hands on, a little bit of funds, and I said, okay, I need to do something productive with this money. So I decided I wanted to clean my credit. Throughout most of my life, I had good credit, but there was a period when my credit tanked. I took some bad advice from a credit repair company, and they told me to do some things, and my credit ended up tanking. So I went ahead and I worked with a couple individuals, and they really overpromised and underdelivered. And then when I got to you, I was already tainted and skeptical. I was like, yeah, everybody says they're going to do this, they're going to do that. And a year ago passed, and I even had a period when I was trying to fix it myself, and I just couldn't get over the hump with just a couple stubborn accounts. And that's when I had ran into you, and I decided to trust you. But I guess I was definitely very skeptical and a little bit annoying in the process as well.
and it's all good, man, because I understand that there's a lot of stuff going on out there on the internet. A lot of people saying they're going to do this, going to do that. And they don't, come through and perform, right?
Exactly.
So I totally get it. And I'm going to say probably about 70% of people that end up coming on board as clients of mine probably tried it themselves or used somebody else before. And this is kind of their last, okay, if this don't work, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna give my money to anybody else, man. But I appreciate you entrusting us and helping you out with your credit situation, man. Yeah. And I want to say, man, you wasn't really with us too long. We got you together fairly quick.
Absolutely.
If I'm not mistaken, when was it? Last August or something or June?
It was really, really fast. It really was fast.
And the thing about it is I try to, like you said, over promise and under deliver, right? I try to, when clients come on board, you never know. Every credit profile is totally different, right? You never know how long it's going to take to get a client cleaned up. And so, I try to set an expectation for them, really, hey, first of all, you put 6 months in your head, right? Because it could take as long as 6 months, but clients do see results around that 45-day mark, you know what I'm saying, sometimes. And I know you started seeing results really, really quick. We got some accounts deleted. And
stubborn accounts too. I've other people haven't been able to get them off, and I've tried it myself, and I had one come on and then it had to come back off. So you guys got some stubborn accounts off that I really had a hard time getting off, and you really got me over the hump on cleaning my profile 100%.
Yeah, that's what's up, man. That's what's up. And you, because I know you sent me some screenshots the other day. Like you're in that 800 club, bro. Like,
absolutely,
man,
absolutely.
Talk about some of the cards that you've been able to, credit cards and stuff that you've been able to get since,
you know what? For this call, I actually was going to pull them out, but I got the platinum. I got 2 gold cards under my EIN, and I got a plum card as well. So I got the Amex cards, I got the big boys, and I'm really working on building my business credit as well. So I mean, I'm getting approvals back to back, man.
Man, that's what's up, bro. You know, and that's what I like to hear, man. And you know, everybody, like I said, man, everybody has different goals and ambitions as far as what they want to do when they get their credit cleaned and stuff like that. But you know, some people just want to get a house, or they want to get approved for a new apartment in a better side of town, or a car. You know what I mean? And some individuals like you, that's kind of like in that entrepreneur space, they're trying to build business credit. You know, and that was one of my main goals when you know, I was learning how to fix credit and stuff like that. I wanted to leverage my credit in order to, you know, build several businesses and stuff. And, you know, I'm still in the process of doing that, but at the same time, I get to help individuals like yourself, man. So, yeah, man. So, any last words, man, you want to say to people?
For anyone on the fence, Robin really knows his stuff. He really does. And he's very knowledgeable. Just make sure that you go into the process, be patient, and everything is going to work out just as planned. Everything is going to work out. So make sure that you do business with the 700 plus club. Do not get on the fence, get off the fence if you are on the fence, and don't second guess it, for sure.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you saying that, guys. And if you're watching this video, wherever you're watching it, whether it's YouTube or Instagram or on my website, right? Click the link somewhere around this video. Just schedule a free consultation, right? We can just talk about what's going on with your credit situation and talk about how and come up with a game plan to get you into that 700 club so you can leverage your credit like Keith did. Keith, I appreciate you coming on board.
Thank you, brother. Thank you,
and I'll talk to you soon, man.
Take care.